Picture robot jellyfish monitoring your pool, bionic dragonflies as home security, or a robot salamander maintaining your garden irrigation. These aren't fantasy, they exist right now. But every single one of these incredible machines traces back to the same three building blocks that beginners consistently get wrong. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why most DIY robotics projects fail, and more importantly, the proven path that actually works for creating smart home automation. Most people see Boston Dynamics' Spot robot opening doors or navigating stairs, and immediately think they need a $1,000 kit and advanced tutorials to build something similar. They rush to Amazon, buy the most expensive robotics starter pack they can find, and dive straight into complex assembly instructions. Within 2 weeks, their robot sits motionless on their desk, a collection of wires and motors that refuses to respond to commands. The biggest mistake beginners make starts before they even touch a single component. They skip the fundamental building blocks that every successful robot depends on, treating robotics like assembling furniture rather than learning a systematic skill set. This foundational error creates a cascade of problems that make even simple projects feel impossible. This approach leads to a predictable pattern of frustration, wasted money, and abandoned projects within weeks. The garage fills with half-built robots, unopened sensor packages, and programming books that seem too difficult to understand. Meanwhile, the real path to robotic success remains completely hidden from view, buried under marketing messages about easy plug-and-play solutions. Even Boston Dynamics Spot Mini, with its $75,000 price tag and years of development, relies on the exact same fundamental principles that beginners consistently ignore. Spot's ability to maintain balance while walking comes from sensor feedback loops, processing data through conditional statements. Its door-opening capability uses the same motor control programming concepts that power a simple Arduino LED project. The statistics reveal just how widespread this foundation problem has become. Research from the IEE Robotics Society shows that 73% of DIY robotics projects get abandoned within the first month. The most common abandonment point occurs at week 3, when builders realize their robot can't perform the basic functions they expected. Another study from Carnegie Mellon's Robotics Institute found that 89% of failed hobby robotics projects shared the same characteristic. Builders attempted complex functionality without mastering basic programming and electronics concepts first. This failure pattern directly connects to why most smart home automation attempts fall short of expectations. Homeowners install expensive smart thermostats, lighting systems, and security cameras, then discover these devices can't communicate with each other or perform custom automation tasks. They lack the foundational knowledge to modify, program, or troubleshoot their smart home setup when problems arise. Professional roboticists approach learning completely differently than typical DIY enthusiasts. When a robotics engineer joins Boston Dynamics or Tesla's autopilot team, they don't start by building complete robots. Instead, they spend months mastering individual subsystems, understanding how sensors collect data, how microcontrollers process that information, and how actuators translate digital commands into physical movement. Professional robotics training programs reflect this systematic approach. MIT's robotics curriculum requires students to master C programming for embedded systems before they touch physical hardware. Stanford's robotics lab forces students to build dozens of simple sensor circuits before attempting anything that moves. These institutions understand that skipping fundamentals creates knowledge gaps that become impossible obstacles in advanced projects. DIY enthusiasts typically follow the opposite path. They buy complete robot kits and expect to understand complex systems through trial and error. When their robot doesn't work as expected, they lack the foundational knowledge to diagnose problems or implement solutions. They can't tell whether issues stem from programming errors, wiring problems, or component failures because they never learned how these systems actually function. Success in robotics requires mastering 3 specific foundational elements before attempting any complete robot build. These elements form the backbone of every functional robot, from simple Arduino projects to advanced commercial systems. Each element builds upon the previous one, creating a knowledge foundation that supports increasingly complex projects.